Hi, you guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to celebrate Earth Day. Now, Earth Day is April 22nd. And if you want to learn more information about what is Earth Day, I will put a link in the description below, and you can watch that video as well. Also, I'm going to talk about how to celebrate right now. Celebrate just by going outside, enjoy the world around you, go to a state park, have a picnic, do yoga outside, read a book, read a book, pick up trash or around you, get some gloves, pick up some trash, plant a tree. Some home improvement stores like Lowe's and Home Depot do discounts on Earth Day or Earth Week. They do that. Buy a reusable bag and use that for Earth Day as well. You go grocery shopping or make a commitment to use more of those reusable bags. I know sometimes I get them for free. If you don't have a choice and you have to use the plastic bag, well, use the plastic bag and reuse it for something like for cat litter, or you can use it for making a wreath, or you can reuse it and cut it up and make your own little bag with different colors and try to sell it on Etsy. You can do all kinds of stuff and do some yoga on that day, and then just enjoy the outdoors and go for a long walk and make a commitment to go for a walk instead of using your car to Target or Walmart unless that's too far for you, which I completely understand. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today. Bye for now.